Configure maps in OWS. Gain more situational awareness of locations with the ability to track arm state, view devices, and receive event alert with user-friendly, interactive maps. Automatically share custom maps and camera views with robust and accurate configuration options. To configure maps in OWS, we will start under the Management menu. Maps are set at the location level, so begin by selecting the location you want to set up. From the General Information tab, we will first ensure that we have the correct address for the location. Location addresses are used to display locations across a global map. Next, we can configure the floor plan using the Maps tab. We can see here that we have set a valid Google address, as well as the ability to edit the location address if changes are needed. To add a specific floor plan, click Add Floor Plan. Begin by naming the floor plan, then either browse for or drag the image into the box shown. Finish by clicking Add. From here, we can see the image we uploaded and a list of all recorders and cameras for this location. We can click and drag each item onto the map anywhere. The most basic item we can drag onto the map is the recorder location. There are no additional options for the recorder. We can also place our cameras on the map as well. When we select the camera, we can enable the Field of View option. This allows you to configure how the field of view is displayed. The lens type allows you to define how wide the field of view can become. You can also use the slider, the text field, or the view itself to customize the angle. The arrow in the center of the field of view allows you to define the camera direction. The final option we can utilize is the Maps icon. First, we need to add a second map. Once the second map is added, we now have the option to include the other maps in our view. We can also edit existing maps to update and change them as needed. For more information on maps, setup, and utilizing the video player, please visit answers.openeye.net. Thank you.